Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by performing the immediate undo. With the document or window active, press Command+Z once to revert the last edit. If the change doesn't reverse, open the Edit menu to see if undo is enabled and what the last action was. Once done, make sure the app supports multiple undos. Some tools limit history to a single step. These first actions establish whether you can keep reversing or need a different recovery approach. Next, expand control over changes. If you accidentally undo too far, press Shift plus Command+Z or Command+Y in some apps to redo the step you removed. For complex edits, open the app's history, versions, or snapshots to jump to a specific point instead of stepping one change at a time. Once you identify the correct state, apply it and save. Make sure to use app-native versioning, Photos, Pages, and other Apple apps keep document versions you can restore precisely. To finish, verify the document now reflects the edits you want, then save right away to lock in that state. If undo is unexpectedly disabled, quit the app without saving and reopen the original file or a recent copy. This prevents overwriting recoverable data. If those steps fail, restore from Time Machine or your backup solution to recover an earlier version. One quick troubleshooting tip. If keystrokes don't respond, check keyboard shortcuts in system settings. Custom mappings can
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.